back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Brianna Faith, and this is the part of the internet where I get to express myself. I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different sanitation cleaning hacks for your workout gear. So if you want to know how to clean your yoga mat, I'm going to show you how to do it on the cheap, and different hacks for if you're a little bit lazy and you don't want to have to clean your yoga mat every day. Let's be honest, there's some of you out there that don't want to clean your yoga mat even though you wear your shoes on it, it's dirty, it's gross, and then you put your face on your mat. Let's think about that for a second. It's nasty. Okay, now that we've gotten that image out of our heads, let's get into this video. I actually got this from Cassie. Hopefully you can see it. So she is taking some tea tree oil and some lavender essential oils and putting them inside of spray bottles. So I got 2 spray bottles from Target for 99 cents just to show you that you can get one in color or you can get a regular clear one. The essential oils are actually about $6.99 for these ones. These are 100% pure essential oil, which means you need to dilute them, which you're going to be doing for the solution, which is why you got the spray bottle. Cassie goes into lengths to talk about the effects of the tea tree oil and how it's good for disinfecting and all of that, and purifying, rejuvenating, and refreshing. And then the lavender, I believe she just uses for the actual scent of lavender. $15 to make this yourself. But if you buy a regular yoga mat cleaner, it's gonna cost you probably about $6.99 and up, but you're gonna be able to make tons of this because remember, this is 100% essential oil. You can use it in your diffuser, you can use it as a massage oil, for yoga, for a bath or shower, for DIY projects. I believe that would mean just like candle making, and to make a spray. So you can use this in multiple different ways, but this is how Cassie uses her oil to clean her yoga mat. So she says the first thing to put in it is 3/4 water. All right, I think that's about 3/4 water. About 6 drops of the tea tree oil and a little bit more of the lavender, I think just so it kind of overpowers the smell. It doesn't smell bad, the tea tree oil. Like, I'm actually kind of surprised. So let's see if we can get this to work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know if I'm supposed to shake it. Am I supposed to shake it, Cassie?
Shake it up.
Oh.
This is what you're gonna do.
We're supposed to shake it. Okay, so Cassie just literally uses the spray on her yoga mat, and so let's go test it out on my yoga mat and see if it gets sticky or anything like that, because I'm kind of scared about that. And then we'll see how good this little beauty is. Also, if you want to see more of Cassie's video, I'm going to link it down below because it is a great video. Alright guys, we've got our spray that we just made, and I've got a small white towel. Okay, so the way Cassie did it was she sprays it. I know I'm out of frame, but that's okay. Take a towel and wipe it down. Ew, okay, I didn't think that much dirt would come off of my yoga mat. That's really gross. So you could just keep doing this until you get a white result. Otherwise, yeah, like if you don't clean your yoga mat, that's what you're putting your face on. So think about that next time. It doesn't even feel wet. It's already dry and it's not sticky at all. This is a big no-no. You don't want to clean your mat and then roll it this way. Rolling your mat that way literally brings whatever nastiness is on your gym floor, your home floor, or whatever back onto your clean surface. So how you want to actually fold it is take the end, fold your mat in half, then you're going to roll it up. You're going to take this end right here, roll it up, and that way your mat stays nice and clean. If you don't want to constantly be washing your mat or waiting for it to dry, invest in a yoga towel. This is my yoga towel from Target. A yoga towel is really good for if you're doing like a high impact or hot yoga or any of that, and you know you're gonna profusely sweat. That way you're not creating like a giant puddle that's on your mat. So after your class, you're just gonna fold up or bunch up your towel, whatever you fancy, and then literally just throw it in the washing machine when you get home. This one is for anyone that has flat feet. So right now I look like I have normal feet, but my feet actually naturally turn in. So I have to physically create an arch if I'm gonna not wear shoes. So I like to wear shoes on my yoga mat even because it will help me to be more aware of my feet and to protect my ankles and all of that from turning in. Whenever I work out outside or inside, I will wear these shoes, so they've gotten pretty dirty. How you're gonna clean your shoes is literally just wipe them down with a wet cloth of your choice. This is just a paper towel, and it's gonna get off all that dirt that's loose and going to get on your yoga mat. I'd still recommend cleaning your yoga mat afterwards, obviously. Then you're just gonna wait for them to dry. You can put them up like this. It should take no more than like 5-10 minutes. If you like to wear gloves when you lift weights, I would recommend actually washing them. You can throw them in the wash, but I would actually recommend hand washing them because of the Velcro. The Velcro is going to stick to your other clothes, and if you love your gym clothes like me, you don't want them to ruin them. To wash my gloves, I'm just going to take some regular soap. Just a dab is good. And then you're just going to use the water and wash it off. You can just rub it with your fingers. Also, I would recommend flipping it inside out because that's where a majority of the germs are that you want to wash out is from your sweat. So just flip it inside out and wash it this way as well. You don't need a ton of soap even though you feel like you do. When you're done, just squeeze it out. Flip the glove to the right side. Well, I guess that's optional, but I like to flip it the right way. Then just hang it up. They've got these nice little straps on most of them. If not, just use a clip hanger to hang them up to dry. Alright guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you liked this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos and content from me. And if you want a little bit more from me right now, go check out my website, MaddieAutumnFaith.com. There I post more things than I do on YouTube. Definitely go check out the blog. I would really appreciate it and love it if you did. Also, comment down below what your favorite type of workout is. I think I got everything. Okay. Bye!